Emmanuel Omoding okoke kabuton Patrick Okabe loerai MP sereke de Daniel Okabe onachake kesi ekeunetenu koto mapakna etolo sirali pasinei kanu aitu na ureka kech toto Christine Okabe kapapa Patrick Okabe lu opoto twakatom na kanyangono lapalo tomontaro karlu kumniare keda kaisara luare koto ma akangas na motoka.
We are here to give thanks for life. Life is very important. And unfortunately, the roads in Uganda are claiming so many lives. And I'm pleading or begging our government of Uganda, let us improve on our road network. In fact, when you drive at night, trucks don't have lights. There's not even a sign to show there's an hazard on the road. So when a driver is driving, you cannot see what is ahead. And that's why we are getting these accidents. A lot of these trucks in Uganda are the ones taking a lot of lives of people. It's not even speed. Some of these trucks which are driving without any lights, without any hazard, they are parked on the road, but there's no sign that the car is broken or a truck is broken. And when there are no hazard lights, you knock the truck. And that's what happened to the lady. When they were driving, this truck is coming, there was too much fog, and the accidents happened. The government should put laws for these trucks that are just moving aimlessly. The truck drivers are just driving anyhowly. They don't even indicate when they are turning.
This big event. This event is very special to our family because it just reminds us of what a great father and mother our parents were to us. They are the ones who made us what we are today. These people transformed many lives across the country.
Tojo kata somulu duch angini karura lapalo tomontare anaitu ntapake na bunge si ara lapalo bunge sodom na kangas ne motoka kada no waike. Ano nguna lukero protakandu konya kere anaitu tajio kisio epelulo bu papa bishop kada no waike soma anapulo ne bukulo serere.
All of them will be used of you.
Alipasina eno kesetolo show akaisara lu no lapalo tomontare okaru ilukumini yare keda kaisara lu ni ore obrin kotem oleo ingare dikitosi ikanisa na lue gela.
Jaisa itodu na ituru kosi pukisa pipila na Atwan yare pene la jokane jaso ni jana sheni Akiro kere. Dobi pukisa yala maneje deka na buro kini sesa patali puto sa twali se okapa.
Sama kini so ne pola depart. Ya ni cholongo na kinangoro atukoto pegei adigai cholongo ya tukoro ko senyaro Okabe Foundation e polori nela eso lo dio sa yitu ka ai lipe de ke anakin Emmanuel Omoding agogong ago isa igo kapepa
Eja ngonda loera tupito na polo na icholongo lopate loipugait NRM kokide flight Dr. Captain Mike Mukola lo agoi kiti right honorable Anita Nita Among arabana rabet na ko Uganda mnges abala ebe alemanita pia milion na kaisare kanu aigangia tukononum etagarete Okabe ko serere.
Okabe Foundation which supports microfinance institutions. Okabe Foundation nada igangiti aikora pia ile asigurupun which the late Bishop Okabe started. Noda bula kwa Okabe itegea. She is going to contribute and put together 20 million shillings. Yafunimesi awadu ni milioni la kaisare ayataki nitoma.
Kanuka TV East, Patrick Odongo, Kosere District.